Hello, my name is Lesley Markham from the Association of Science and Technology Centres. This poster represents the Collaborative Project Management Institute project for multi-institutional partnerships. Broadening participation in STEM is a national goal and one that no single organisation can accomplish alone. Many funders are shifting from single project support to a collective impact approach that necessitates the focus on the relationships and successful collaboration among organisations. Informal STEM institutions are developing innovative partnerships with school districts, academic institutions, community-based organisations and industry to bring new informal learning opportunities to underserved populations and communities. The collaboration and teamwork required to bring broadening participation goals to reality, however, are often complex, with multiple entities involved. Words like collaboration, partnership, and team are so commonly used that the shared understanding of their meaning is assumed. But does that assumption hold true? Is the same meaning understood by all? What does it mean to be a partner? What expectations can collaborators realistically have of each other? What behaviours and inclusion are partners committed to when they embark on a partnership or collaboration? And most importantly, do practitioners, researchers, community groups, and stakeholders coming from different backgrounds and perspectives have the same understanding? Few institutions have the human resources capacity to provide the professional development to equip staff with the cultural competency, leadership, and project management expertise needed to develop collaborations that address this growing need. And yet, this expertise is critical for the success of projects designed to meet the goal of broadening participation. Some of the common challenges and issues that museum, university, community partnerships struggle with are, firstly, learning about each other's contexts, constraints, supports, working conditions, and different skill sets. Secondly, understanding differences in motivation for implementing the project, crucial terminology and theory, a lack of teams having more productive conversations about both the theoretical underpinnings and practical implications of the project. And lastly, different measures of success, as well as different efforts and avenues for dissemination, such as presentations versus publications. Critical for their success as a partnership team is agreeing on how to achieve mutual goals through understanding and planning, avoid or quickly resolve issues that could threaten project goals, avoid or quickly resolve aggravations that make a project harder than needed, and building strong and lasting personal and organizational relationships of direct value for scaling, replicating, and expanding programs and partnerships. CoPM emphasizes building a foundation for a strong collaboration by beginning with creating a strong core team and project start through a practical step-by-step team alignment approach. This initial alignment enables a team with specialist expertise from multiple organizations to come together and work towards a shared goal. The CoPM process enables the conversation that 1, builds understanding, 2, creates a well thought out plan, and 3, generates agreements for effective team communication throughout the project. CoPM does not attempt to merge or change organizational cultures, but rather to coordinate project activities such that the teams can work together well and ultimately meet their goals. The Association of Science and Technology Centres, in collaboration with the ICS group, invited a diverse group of institutional partnerships, all striving to broaden participation in STEM, to an intensive collaborative project management or CoPM institute, funded by the National Science Foundation. A CoPM playbook was developed based on frameworks and techniques used in industry, with exercises, templates, and guidance for using collaborative project management with a partnership team. As documented in the evaluation available on informalscience.org, participants rated their experience in the Institute as overwhelmingly positive, especially around access to new tools, new insights on communication, and new paradigms for partnership and relationship development. We hope to expand this pilot effort with future funding. The COVID-19 pandemic has raised questions about the future delivery of programs and learning. CoPM already contains virtual learning components as well as in-person components, and the team will review our ability to strengthen delivery through those virtual learning platforms. Thank you.